Hey guys, it's Christy with Anchor Live 5. Thanks for stopping by and joining me for a few minutes today. I wanted to come on here and share with you all what was in my bullet journal carry case. I got this case off of Amazon, and I will try my best to link it down below. But if I forget, feel free to comment or send me an email, and I'll try to get back with you as soon as I can. But this is my current bullet journal on-the-go bag or case or pouch or whatever you want to call it. You can see how thick it is, but it is sturdy and it is packed to the gills, but it has everything that I need. It does have a carry handle right here, and it does have a pocket on the front, 2 zippers, and let's just dive right in. Here's a quick overview of everything, and then we will dive deeper into it. So this first section over here has a deep pocket, and then it has this mesh pocket. Now in this deep pocket, I keep all of my bullet journal stencils. This one is just a sticker book or a stencil book that I got from Michael's. It's really, really good. I haven't used it yet, but I'm excited to try it. And then all of these stencils, all of these came off of Amazon, and they are just a variety of different things you're going to need, or not need, but things that I like, that I find useful for my bullet journal. Inside of here, I also keep my collection of rulers for bullet journaling. So I just have different variety of rulers. This one's probably my favorite, and I do use this one quite a bit as well. And then I just have a little bullnose clip and some page flags. I've never used these, but I keep them in here just in case. I think this is a Pentel eraser. I took off the cover, but I think that's what it is. This mechanical pencil I got off of, this is a Muji mechanical pencil, really, really nice. I got it from Stationery Pal. And then this highlighter pen, this one came from Amazon. I also have this white gel pen. This one came from Michael's, I believe. This is a Signo, or it came from Stationery Pal, actually. This one is a Uniball Signo. And then I have these Micron. This is a 0.1, 0.08. This is a brush one, and this is a 1 graphic. Love, love, love these. So I keep these here separate from my other black pens. I don't really know why, but I use these for different things than I use my other black pens for. I guess that's the real reason. So let's just clip these back in here. And the gel pen, mechanical pencil, and the other gel pen. So this case has a lot of room. I mean, a lot of room. I have this thing so jam-packed. And it's because I do a lot of my bullet journaling downstairs to where my craft room is upstairs. And so I just like to have everything that I could possibly need in one spot. And that's why this little pouch is so great, because it allows me that freedom. You have 2 zipper mesh pockets right here, or pouches. These are Velcro, so they do come off. So you don't have to have them all, or you can add more. But in this first one, I just have a collection of Papermate flares. This is one of my favorite pens to use in bullet journaling. So I do keep all of my colored ones in here. And then in the second pouch, I keep a collection of the Zebra mild liners. You can get these just about anywhere. Same with the Papermate flares. I probably got mine off of Amazon, but you can get them at Target or anywhere, really. So I keep a collection of those. I keep my bullet journal, of course. And in the back section, I keep some stickers that I use. These all came from Stationery Pal. And there's one more. And then I keep a collection of black pens. This one is a Zebra Sarasa Clip .05 pen. And then this one is another Sarasa Clip .05. This one is an Artisa .5. And then I have the Sharpie S Gel. This one is a .7 and it is in blue. This is a Papermate Inkjoy .7. This one is the Uni Jetstream. Love this pen. And then the last two are the Pentel Energel .5. And this one is one of my favorites. This is one of my new ones, the Uniball Air Micro. Love, love, love this pen. And then, of course, I keep my bullet journal. It fits perfectly right in there. So that is everything that I have in my bullet journal pouch. I sure appreciate y'all stopping by and joining me. Don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe. And until next time, bye, guys.